Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to peel a green banana. This is banana, usually come 12 on a hand. Finger, 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 and okay, you can boil banana two ways. You can peel it, or you can just put it in the boiling water just like this. Like just peel off here, and just do like this. And you put it in the boiling water. Now how you peel? Just like this. And you just do this. See, it's that simple. Let's try again. So we do this, and you find a corner about there, and you do this, go about here, there, do this, right here, do this, and do this. So that's how you peel green banana. This is yam. This is yam. I'm just going to show you how to prepare it. You just peel it like that. Really thin. And that's it. You don't wash it, you just cut it in pieces and put it in the boiling water like this. This is ripe plantain. We're gonna also boil it. You can prepare it by just cutting the heads off there. And just cut it like this and put it in the boiling water. Put to boil a pot of water. Add some salt. It's the yam. This is yam boiled in. Okay, this is continuing. So now, boil water, you add some water to a pot and let it boil. Then you add your bananas. This is banana with the skin and banana without the skin. Now, plantain. And then you cover your pot. Now, plantain. And then you cover your pot. The green banana is really okay. It's just gonna have a little taste, a little greenish taste, but it's really okay. Yeah, with the skin, it might have a little taste, but it's okay. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. Okay, it can be ready by now. It can be ready in 15 minutes. It can be ready in 20 minutes. It all depends on how tender you want your banana and how tender you want your yam to be. The less tender, the better. nutrition you'll get. Nutritious. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. The banana can be ready now. It can be ready in 15 minutes and it can be ready in 20 minutes. All depends on how much nutrient you want in it. So it can be ready in 7 minutes. So that's it. Because once you turn off the pot anyways, it's the heat in the boiling water is gonna be still cooking. Green banana after boil, this is it with the skin and this is it without the skin boiled together. So to remove the skin, all you have to do is just use your fork and just do this and just simply take it from the pot about 3 minutes before this, so it's cooled, and then you just do this and that's it. You see how it's white and you see the difference? See the texture? See, they're both ready. So this is boiled green bananas. This is plantain. This is green plantain. That's ripe plantain, boiled ripe plantain. This is boiled yam. Boiled yam. Boiled yam. So this is curried chicken with boiled bananas, boiled green bananas.